Monday morning already, and I'm back in the workshop, and I'm going to be doing some more work on the Kia Sportage. So I've got this grill here, and I need a new one. It's got some damage on it. So this corner here, it's a bit of a shame really. It's just got a crack over there and a crack on that chrome. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fix this crack here, and you can actually get this chrome. I'm not sure if it's chrome, what I've seen. I think it might be just like a very dark grey or something, but I'm not really bothered. I've ordered one to go in here anyway. It says chrome grey. I'm not sure what it is. Don't really care as long as it replaces this crack, as long as the grill's not cracked. So I'm going to remove this chrome first. I think I might have to remove this central bit. I think this comes out. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to plastic weld this crack. And while I'm doing that, I'm going to video the content with this 4K action cam. So this is a new action cam that I've just purchased. I bought this off Amazon. So I'll put a link to this one in the comments in case anyone wants to buy one. So we'll have a look and we'll see how good the footage is with this camera. It was only about 50 quid, 50, 60 quid. So it wasn't very expensive. It'll be interesting to see what the footage is like. First, I've got to take out the centre part of the grill, and I'm going to use my trim tool to do this. I'm just going to push the clips through and remove the grill. There is some screws that go around there, but they hold the chrome in, so I've already took those out. So that's the centre of the grill removed. I'm now going to get on and do the repair. I'm going to clean the paint off the surround first, and then I'm going to plastic weld the crack. So this is my plastic welder. It's very similar to a soldering iron, but it's got a couple more heat settings, and obviously it's got a different end. You can buy these for not a lot of money off Amazon. I'll have a look and see if I can find a link, and I'll attach it into the comments. So that was a bit of footage with the new action cam. I'm not sure what it's going to be like. I guess I'll find out when I put the video together. I'm going to continue now with my phone camera. So we'll have a look at this repair. Got it all plastic welded. I'm going to sand it up now with this, smooth it off, put a bit of filler in there, prime it, and then paint that surrounded area on the grill. So I'll just paint this bit here, which is the surround for the insert piece that I'm going to put in. While we're waiting for that primer to dry, I'll just show you something else. So this is another bit that I've repaired. It goes on the top of the bumper, and it was split through there. So I've just plastic welded it. I've sanded it up with the DA now with some 240. I'm just going to finish it off by filling those little bits, and then I'll dust it over with some aerosol. That's all dry now. Could probably do a bit of a polish. We'll get the centre grille put in and then we'll get it in the bumper. So that's the grille now fitted in the bumper, minus the trim. As you'll see, it's starting to get really pushed on now. But like always, things never go smooth. So we've got a bit of a problem here. The spotlight that I bought, it doesn't fit. So I'm going to have to make some modifications. Bit of chopping and a bit of welding and it now fits. And before anyone says, was it for the other side? No, it wasn't for the other side. It just must be for a model that's got a different surround. So I've been flat out today with this bumper. Bit of a chew on with that fog light, which I could have done without, but it's now sorted. I'll show you what it's looking like anyway. So we're just about there with it, got it built up, but there's one last thing, and it's that chrome surround. And you won't believe it, I was expecting something coming from Amazon, but it wasn't Amazon that tipped up, it was actually the chrome. So the gate went, I heard a van, and I thought it was Amazon. It wasn't Amazon, it was Parcel Force, and they brought this chrome. So I'm now going to be able to get this on. Just have a look, hopefully this is going to fit straight on. Make sure I get all the lugs in. Looking tidy as that. So that's that chrome on. I think it looks pretty smart. Obviously it's not bright chrome like the original one. It's got a bit of a tint to it, but I think it looks pretty smart. So that's the bumper now all built up. The next job is to fit it to the car. Beforehand I had to do a little repair, and that was just to this connector, so the wires had pulled out and I had to solder them back together. Putting the bumper on was not straightforward either. That stupid foam behind kept fouling everything. It was just an absolute nightmare. So I was battling on with the bumper, trying to get it all fitted. So there's various locators. There's ones underneath the headlights and also ones at the sides next to the wings. So I was trying to get the bumper fitted in all of these. It clips in, and at the same time I also had to connect up the fog lights. So the bumper kept fouling on the foam behind, and it kept fouling where it fastened underneath. The whole job was just an absolute nightmare. But like everything, I did get there with it in the end. Well, I've made some mega progress on this vehicle this week. It's looking a lot better than it did. Just check out these pictures from before and what it's looking like now. Don't forget to let me know in the comments what you think of the cheap action camera I used. So I used it as it was straight out the box. I didn't touch any of the settings. All I did was charge it up, put an SD card in it, and I used it as it came. If you're interested in buying one, I'll pin a link in the comments. I'm going to end the video with a big shout out to all my subscribers, old and new. A big thanks to you positive people that like my videos. I look forward to seeing you all in the next one.